Hello, welcome friends. Today we are going to the new topic present status of dairy industry in India. Myself, Dr. K.D. More, working as assistant professor in the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy Science at Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. Today we are discussing this under the topic of present status. These are the content. First one is the introduction, then milk production in India, and livestock number and their contribution, milk productivity, liquid milk consumption pattern, the milk marketing scenario, that is market share, then milk processing facility in India, then dairy cooperatives in India, then share in Indian economy and growth rate, dairy market, value output from livestock sector during 2018-19, import and exports of dairy products, employment generation, then challenges ahead of dairy industries, then way forward of dairy industry, then market for indigenous products, then leading institutes related to dairy industry as well as dairy education, then leading dairy plants and brands in country, and last one is the new dairy products in available in market, that is innovative products. So let us see one by one. Firstly, introduction. Introduction in that particularly already you have to know the India is the highest milk producer country in the world, and the milk production of India has grown from 17 million ton in the year 1951 to 187.7 million tons in the year 2019-20. Means today's milk production of India is 187.7 million ton. Then nearly two-thirds of farm household in India are associated with the livestock production. 80% of them, the small holders, that is less than 2 hectare land. Then the livestock, especially dairying, is supplementary enterprises to crop farming and highly integrated with the crop production. More than 75% farmers keep 2 to 3 milk animal for survive of the livelihoods. Milk purpose animals means those animals is producing highest milk. Okay, that is a example in cow, particularly Gir, then HF, Jersey, okay, Red Kandari, Red, then Red Sindhi. These are the example milk purpose example of cow. Then buffalo milk purpose under the category. The well-known example is Jafrabadi, then Mehsana, Surti. These are the milk purpose animal, particular animal for highest milk production. Then next is the dairy plants and factories were rapidly expanded and modernized with improved machineries and equipments with the technology of large scale production. The next, the milk colony and milk product technology in the 1956 with established of Amul dairy plant in Gujarat. Amul is a brand of GCMMF, means Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation. Means GCMMF is developed in the year 1956. The Amul dairy plant is developed in the year 1956 for milk colony and milk product technology, and establishment of particular various new dairy plants under the Amul dairy. Then next, the structure of milk production is largely based on low input and low to moderate output is usually traditional. A certain country of also certain segments of rural population have taken up dairying progressively as also means of the full employment. And then discuss about the first point, milk production. World milk production is during 2018-19 was 870 827.88 million tons. The India ranked first in total milk production in the world, followed by USA, then China, Pakistan, Brazil since 1998. Okay, then today's milk production already out known. The today's milk production of India is 187.7 million ton in the year 2018-19. India accounting for more than 17.1% of the world and 57% of Asian total milk production. Means whatever the milk production of world is accounting of India milk production is 17.1%. Okay, and whatever milk production of Asian milk production, India is accounting 57%. Okay, then the milk production in India differs region wise. Over the 80% of the national milk production comes from different 9 states in India, is namely UP, Uttar Pradesh, then Punjab, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Haryana. These are the different states, 9 states in India is producing high milk production. Then milk production across the countries. The milk production across the countries in the 2010 it was 117 million ton, and the current position up to 187.7 million ton. The Sri Lanka country is very lowest milk production in the world, is in the year 2005 was 0.17 million ton, and now 2018-19 the milk production of Sri Lanka it was 0.48 million ton. The milk production of the world is 1970 was 391.82 million ton, and the milk production graph was increased, and in the year 2018-19 the milk production of world is 832 million ton. Then next is the milk production across the different countries. These are the countries is highest milk production and lowest is the Sri Lanka. So let us see one by one. The India milk production in the year 1970 is very low, 20.80. Okay. Then USA 53.07, and China 1.96, Pakistan 7.45, Sri Lanka 0.14. But now milk production of these are the different countries in the year 2018-19. The India is the 187.7, USA 76, then China 34.87, Pakistan 44.29, and Sri Lanka 0.48 million ton. Means among these countries the highest milk production is the India in the year 2018-19, that is 187.7, and lowest milk production of Sri Lanka in the year 2018-19, that is 0.48 million tons. So total milk production of the world is 832 million ton. The milk production in India in the year 1991 to 92, the milk production it was 5.6 million ton, and the milk per capita availability grams per day 178 grams per day. And now the 2018-19 the milk production is increased 187.7, and the milk per capita availability is 394 grams per day. Okay, then livestock numbers and their contribution is very important. In our country, the livestock population is also highest as compared to the world. And in livestock population, the India is also uh, first rank in the world. The important species in the milk production are buffalo, cow, then goat and sheep. Okay, and cow that is indigenous also, as well as crossbred cow also. India houses the largest livestock in the world, that is 50% of the buffalo and cattle. Buffalo is around 50% and 50% livestock and 20% of the cattle population. Contribution of the buffalo in country milk production is largest, is up to 51%, and the population of buffalo is 109 million. Then contribution of indigenous cow in total milk production is 25%, and then the crossbred cow 24%. That is the contribution of the cow in total milk production, that is 44 to 45%. Okay, and the cattle population is 192 million. Then goat population is 148.9 million, and the sheep population is 74.3 million. The contribution of the goat and sheep milk in total milk production, that is 4%. Then liquid milk consumption pattern. Liquid milk consumption pattern. There are the regional disparities in consumption of the milk in India. The world average 229 grams per day, and per capita availability of milk is in India is about 394 gram per day. The per capita milk consumption of north region is higher, followed by west, south, east of the country. North region is highest milk production as compared to the other area of the country. In north region, particularly UP, then Punjab, this state is highest milk production as well as the per capita availability, and in that particular Punjab state is highest per capita availability consumption. That is, I think 1032 grams per day. Okay, then India ranks 73rd position in world regarding the per capita availability of milk. The milk and milk product utilization pattern is estimated 54% milk produced in India is converted into products traditional as well as western products, and the rest of the milk is utilized as a market milk, that is loose milk. That is, this milk is used for liquid milk consumption. Liquid consumption. The cheese production is growing at 15% per annum. The ice cream production growing at 15% per annum. So let us see the 54% of milk is utilized for the processing or manufacturing of different milk products. Here type of the different milk and milk products. First one is the liquid milk. Liquid milk, that is loose milk, is consumption. Loose milk consumption is near about 46%. and rest of other milk products is 54%. That is the total contribution is 100%. Second is the ghee and butter. Ghee and butter is contribution is near about 33%. Then curd and dahi, chakka, srikhand, lassi. These are the fat fermented type of milk product. Is contribute is 7%. Then heat desiccated type of milk products, that is khawa. Then khawa is the best product, and preparation of the different peda, barfi, gulab jamun. The contribution is 7%. Then next is the channa and paneer under the category of heat and acid coagulated milk products. And the preparation of the channa is the best products, and used by use of channa to prepare the different products, that is rasgulla and rasmalai. The contribution is 3%. And next one is the western products. Western products means it may be powder, then cheese, then another is the skim milk powder. These are the western products, and the contribution is 4%. Overall the total the contribution is 100%. 54% of the milk is utilized for milk processing, and remaining 46% milk is useful for the liquid consumption. Then next one is the milk handling or usage pattern. Major player of handling of milk are as follows. The household sector is 45%. Then non-organized sector 37%, and organized sector 18%. The first one is the household sector. The total contribution is the milk handling pattern is 100%, and divided into three different segments, that is household, non-organized sector, and organized sector. The household sector is contributed 45%. In that particularly, the milk is useful for drinking, then conversion into different milk products such as curd, dahi, makhan. Most of the uh, women is to prepare the different milk products, that is ghee, then curd, makhan, butter. The non-organized sector is contributed 37%. In that particularly meeting the urban demands, liquid milk, then production of different sweets and other traditional products. The third one is the organized sector, 18%. Processing of milk into pasteurized liquid milk and manufacturing of the indigenous and western milk products. Okay. And next one is the first two user segments, which accounts for 80 to 82 percent of the milk consumed in India. Okay. Then milk marketing scenario. It's near about the 100% milk contributed under also three different segments. Unorganized sectors, marketing sectors is contributed 60 to 64%. Then organized sector, that is cooperative dairy, 27 to 30%, and private dairies 9 to 10% of the milk marketing scenario is contributed. That's like then milk processing facility in India. In spite of being the world largest milk producer, only 12 to 15 the milk is delivered to dairies for processing against the world average of 70%. The current processing capacity more than 100 million liter per day, and the capacity utilization is near about 65 to 70%. In India, the total number of dairy plants is there. Then second is the milk processing capacity and percentage. Number of dairies, uh, private dairies, then cooperative dairies, and last one is the government dairies. This the private dairies, the contribution of milk processing capacity is near about 3.84 crores liters. Okay, and the highest percentage among the other two dairies is contributed near about 60%, means 59.43%. Then cooperative dairies in India is near about 212 number of cooperative dairies is contributed. The milk processing capacity is 2.83 crores liters per day. Okay, and the percentage of cooperative dairies is 31.27%. Then last one is the government dairies. Total number of government dairies in India is 63, and the milk processing capacity of government dairy is 1.21 crores of liters per day, and the percentage is contributed is milk processing is very negligible as compared to the other two dairies is 9.30%. The next, the dairy cooperatives in milk industry. India possesses a wide and extensive network of dairy infrastructure through dairy cooperatives. The most accepted three-tier structure of dairy cooperatives, that is Anand pattern. The Anand pattern is evolved by Dr. Varghese Kurian through the Operation Flood program is started in the year 1970 to 1991. The primary village society, number of primary village society in India is 1.22 lakhs, and the popular uh, primary village cooperative society, that is Ambewadi. Then district or Tahsil processing union is nearly about 198 numbers. The example is Kolhapur Jilla Cooperative Milk Union, that is Gokul, and Jalgaon Jilla Cooperative Milk Union, that is Vikas. State, and then next one is the State Milk Federation, is near about 23 numbers in India, and the example is the Maharashtra Cooperatives Milk Marketing Federation, that is Mahananda. In Karnataka, CCMAM, then in that is Nandini, then in Andhra Pradesh, Vijaya, then Gujarat, Amul, Bihar, Sudha, then Punjab, Varka, Tamil Nadu, Avin, and in Kerala, Milma. These are the different state cooperative milk marketing federation in India. Then next one is the NCDFI, that is National Cooperatives Dairy Federation of India, is located at Anand. Then share in Indian economy and growth rate. This is very important point. Share of agriculture GDP, that is 16 to 17%. Then share of livestock sector in agriculture GDP is 27%. Then share of livestock sector in GDP, that is 5%. And share of milk industry in livestock sector in GDP, that is 70%. The growth rate of Indian economy is 5 to 6%. The growth rate of Indian agriculture is very low, 2%. The growth rate of livestock sector 4%. Growth rate of milk production in India 6.28%, and the growth rate of crossbred cow milk production is 7%. Is very high as compared to the buffalo, and the buffalo growth rate uh, of milk production is 4% and indigenous cow is 1.8%. Then dairy market. Dairy market, India exhibits an age-old tradition of drinking milk. 89% of the household in India consume loose milk, whereas only 9% household use packaged milk. The acceptance of the packaged milk is high in Maharashtra, Kerala, West Bengal, Gujarat, and Karnataka. It is always the profitable market of liquid milk in place of converts into the milk production, different milk production. Then last one is the share of dairy products in total food expenditure in urban areas is 19% and in rural areas is 16% or 55.9, that is 16% is there. Then these are the different exports and imports dairy products. Already you have to know India is the highest milk production country and India is exports to different milk products to other countries. So let us see here. The India has potential to become one of the leading players in milk and milk products exports. At present, India exports. These are the products is exports, that is milk powder, butter, butter oil, and cheese. And we also imports of the different dairy products from other countries. The products is Srikhand, Gulab Jamun, and Rasgulla. And we imports skim milk powder and butter oil. Then share of the world trade market of dairy is only 0.6%. These are the different, next point, these are the different major importers of India of milk and milk products, that is Bangladesh, Japan, UAE, Oman, and other Gulf countries. Then employment generation. Gainful employment is one of the most essential condition for food as well as economic security. In order to ensure the access to food and other essential of a healthy life for all its citizens, and particularly the India faces the challenges providing 200 million new employment opportunity over the 2 decades. Estimated employments in animal husbandry sector is 11.44 to 12 million in principal status and 11.01 million in subsidiary status. Then self-employment to rural people, especially to the landless and widows. Then next one is the dairy farming provides regular and remunerative payment. The next one is the challenges. These are the challenges. What are the challenges in dairy industry? First one is the lack of proper packaging and labeling system of different milk and milk products. This is a very important thing because packaging system is provided to extended shelf life of the product. Okay, this is the first important thing. Then second one is the market intelligence to understand the mindset of the entrepreneurs. In entrepreneurs, particularly mindset, the now condition, the market of particular which type of milk products, this particularly these products is launched in particular market. Then distribution network is not organized. This is the very important. Then the lack of distribution communication. Then consumer perception and brand building is also major challenges. Then cold chain and storage facilities not effectively in operation. Then inadequacy of quality raw material for large scale production. Next one is the way forward of dairy industry. New products should be developed in response to consumer perception, then needs to improve the shelf life and packaging of the products, then consolidation of the distribution and retail network, then establishment of high-tech cold chain parlors, then establishment of mechanized vending machines of milk derivatives and strategic point. Next one is the market for indigenous products, projected domestic demands for major traditional products that is 250,000 tons. The sum 25 millions of the Indians living abroad are upper income group. Particularly, a large variety of the Indian dairy products are sold in the supermarkets in North America, then United Kingdom, then South Africa, produced by small scale entrepreneurs. Next, a Canadian firms, then IDP Foods, and is a large producer of the Indian dairy products. The next, leading institutes related to the dairy education and industry. NDR, NDRI means National Dairy Research Institute located at Karnal, Haryana, and the two different sub-center of the NDRI. One is Bangalore in Karnataka and another is the Kalyani in West Bengal. Second, NDDB is located at Anand, means National Dairy Development Board located at Anand, established in the year 1956. Then National Cooperative Dairy Federation of India is located at Anand. Then SMC College of Dairy Science located at Anand. Then CFTRI means Central Food Technological and Research Institute located at Mysore, Karnataka. Then Indian Dairy Diploma means IDD. One is Mumbai, another is Allahabad, UP. Okay. Then leading dairy plants and brands in country. The cooperative sectors over the years has created many successful brands. The cooperative Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, that is GCMMF, is largest player. The Anand Milk Union Limited, that is Amul, is brand name of GCMMF. All over the dairy cooperatives have their local brands. Mahananda, Gokul, Varna in Maharashtra, Saras in Rajasthan, Varka in Punjab, Vijay in Andhra Pradesh, Avin in Tamil Nadu, Mother Dairy in Delhi and Calcutta. Okay, then other private players includes Jeki Dairy, then Heritage Foods, then Indiana Dairy Foods, then Dairy Specialist, that is Amul Industries, Nestle Food Products, Sayadri Agro Products, then Haldiram Products and KC Das Food Products. Okay, then last point is the new dairy products in market. Which are the new innovative dairy products available in market? That is Probiotic ice cream is developed by Amul. Then set curd, then good and long UST ultra high temperature milk. Then Mishti Dahi flavor milk, that is Amul Cool, developed by Amul. And Chas, then Srikand, this pasteurized second, then low lactose milk, because most of the people is suffering from diabetes, so the low lactose milk or low lactose different milk products is useful for the particular this type of peoples. Then drinking yogurts, then ready to reconstituent basundi and kheer, rasmalai and pyazam. The pyazam is a cereal based product, is mostly found in South India. These are the different innovative milk products. Then next one is the regulation of the regulations in dairy organization. Okay, state government authorities, then compulsory legislation, then voluntary standards. The state government authorities, the in that particularly supply inspector, then factory inspector, then electric inspector, broiler inspector. These are the different government authorities. Then pollution control board and industrial license. These are the different government authorities for the dairy industry organization. Then next one is the compulsory legislation. First one is the PFA, means Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. But this act is today is nowadays is banned, and government launched the new food product act, that is FSSAI, in the year 2011. Means Food Safety Standard Authority of India is located at headquarter is located at New Delhi. Next one is the MMPO, means Milk and Milk Product Order, is established in the year 1992. Next one is Standards of Weight and Measures Rules, 1977. Then Exports, that is Quality Control and Inspection Act, 1963. Last one is the Pollution Control. These are the different legislation for the particular dairy organization. Next one is the third one is the voluntary standards. In voluntary standards, the first one is the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. Bureau of Indian Standards is the very major important standards for milk and milk products. Then second is the AgMark. AgMark means agriculture marketing, is located at headquarters is Nagpur. In the establishment in the year of 1937, and this standards is generally famous for the butter oil and ghee, ghee type of milk products for particular these standards. Then next one is the thank you.